the movement of press. When you do the movement of press, you want to bring your palm to the wrist. Okay, so the palm into the wrist. And it's important to note that the thumb and the little finger don't cross each other, that they're separated. Okay, so let's do this again. Move your weight to your left leg. So then the left hand is coming on top. Hold the ball. Step. Move forward. Turn in that direction. Ward off. Remember, like a ball, very open, round, yet very relaxed, no tension in the muscles. Turn the body. Rotate your shoulder. So we have good structure, but the muscles are relaxed. Shift back, sink. Make sure you're breathing the whole time. Hands come up. Turn the body. So now your hands are perpendicular. Left hand to the sky, right hand to the horizon. Now as you come forward, bring your left palm into your right wrist, like where you would have a watch, and push the whole thing forward a little bit. So there's a little bit of a pressing action. Press. And then back to the center. Okay, so the pressing is that the two hands are coming together and the whole thing is moving forward. Move your weight to your right leg. Hold the ball. Step. Keeping your weight where it is, then move forward. Push the back heel into the ground. Ward off. Turn the ball. Rotation. Shift back, yielding. Roll back. Sink the body, which allows the hands to come up. Turn the body, rotate the shoulders. Hands become perpendicular. As you come forward, bring the palm to the wrist. Press. Whole unit going forward. And back to the center. Again, hold the ball, left hand on top, weight on the left leg. Step, move forward, ward off. Roll back. Press. And back to the center. Once more on the other side. Weight comes to the right leg. Hold the ball. Step. As you notice, I don't move forward when I step. I stay right where I am. Then I move forward by pushing the back foot into the ground. Ward off. Keep the weight on the left leg. Turn the body. Now, push back. Sink into your right leg. Yielding. Roll back. Sink the body. Turn. Move forward and press. And back to the center. So now we're going to add to this withdraw and push. So actually the posture of the movement is actually just called push. So we have ward off, roll back, press, and push, which collectively, as I said, is grasp bird's tail. So we're going to hold the ball, left hand on top, step, move forward, ward off, turn the body, turn the hips. You want to get those hip joint moving. Roll back. Sink, let the hands float up. Turn your hips. So the more you can get your hip joint moving, the better. Move forward and press, bring the palm to the wrist. Now, you have your palms together here. What I want you to do is rotate your arms so your palms face down with your left hand on top. And it's like you're washing the back of your hand. Just wash the hand, open them up about shoulder width apart. Move back as if you're being drawn back into the ocean. wave being just drawn and sucked back into the ocean. And now, like a wave starting in your back foot, coming up through your body, all the way up through your body, out through your hands. This is called push. Back to the center. Let's do it on the other side. Hold the ball. Step. Ward off. So it's such a nice feeling when you really get a sense of these movements. The effortlessness in the movement. It takes a lot of effort in your mind intent, in your focus, in getting your body to do what you're asking it to do. However, when you get that feeling, it's so nice. It's such a joyful feeling. And now release, palms down, open up. Make sure you don't wear your shoulder like an earring. Keep your shoulders down. Now, like you're being drawn back into the ocean. Just being drawn in, drawn in, drawn in, sinking deep into the ocean. Now draw like a wave coming up the leg, into your waist, into your shoulders, and out through your hands. This is push. And back to the center. So just these 4 movements alone can lead us to such benefit in the way we feel. Hold the ball. Step. Ward off. Turn. Get your hips turning. Roll back. Sink. Turning the hips. Move forward and press. Bring the palm to wrist. Release. Nice and relaxed. Keep your shoulders down. Withdraw. Now be very careful. Don't pull your elbows back. So what I mean is to not do this motion. We don't want to just move our arms. We want to move the whole body. So coming back into this position, I want you to feel as if the movement is coming from here, like you're being pulled into the ocean, your whole body. And now you begin to sink, then you drop your elbows and your wrists. So I don't pull the arms back. Now the wave moves up the leg, through the body, and out through the hands. So it's truly like a wave. At the end, we sink into the motion and back to the center. Nice, easy feeling. When you sink, you don't have to sink too much. Just do what's appropriate for you. Use your mind intent. Ward off to the left. So left leg forward, left arm forward. Turn the ball. Roll back. Sink the body. Turn, yielding from that incoming force. Sink the body, which raises the hands. Turn the body. Move forward. Bring palm to wrist. Press. Release. So you're releasing forward and sinking downward. Now, withdraw. Let that ocean just pull you in. Just don't fight it. Let it pull you back and down. Now, let it come right back up through your body as if there's a wave moving through the body. This is push. Back to the center. Let's do that again. Hold the ball. Ward off right. Roll back. Press. Withdraw. And push. Back to the center. Move the weight to the right leg, hold the ball. Ward off left. Roll back. Press. Withdraw. And push. And come back to the center. Let's take 3 breaths, nice and gentle. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Settle the whole body. Settle your breath. Settle your mind. Bring your hands to your belly. Focus your mind in your lower abdomen. It's called your Dan Tien, your energy field, your energy center. Enjoy the feeling. Now massage the belly. Rub the hands. 3 times you're going to wash the face, scalp, and neck. Thank you for joining me today on Stillness and Motion. My name is Rich Marantz. Until next time, I wish you peace, good health, and happiness.